हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ते हैं क्लास 9th का छठा टॉपिक, सिक्स्थ टॉपिक ऑफ क्लास 9th, रियल नंबर्स एंड देयर डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. Real numbers and their decimal expansion. In this section, we will look at the decimal expansion of real numbers. For this, let us consider first examples 10 by 3, 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. Convert the rational numbers into decimals. These are rational numbers 10 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 7. Let us convert it into decimal. If we convert 10 by 3 into decimal, that means if we divide 10 by 3 and on performing the division, we will get 10 by 3 equals to 3.3333 and it is written as 3.3 bar. In this case, we observe that division will never get end. That means and remainder is always 1. Whenever we are performing division, at every step we are getting 1 and 3 gets repeated in quotient. 3 gets repeated in quotient. That means 10 by 3 is equal to 3.333 and this repetition 3.333 is written as 3.31. Similarly, if we convert 7 by 8 into decimal, we get 0.875. Here, in this case, division will get over. If we divide 7 by 8, we get our division gets over in third step after decimal and the remainder becomes 0. 1 by 7. If we consider and perform division for 1 by 7, we get the decimal expansion as 0.142857 that is 0.142857 bar. That means division will never get over and division will get after division decimal number 142857 gets repeated in quotient. From the above three examples, in the above three examples of rational numbers, the above three examples are rational numbers and are in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. What we observed here in case of rational numbers, we observe that the rational numbers we observe that the decimal expansion of rational numbers have only two choices: terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating. Here we are getting terminating decimal in case of 7 by 8, in case of 1 by 7 and 10 by 3 we are getting non-terminating repeating decimal expansions. That means when we perform decimal expansions of rational numbers, we get either terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals. Now let's see the rational numbers decimal expansion. In case of rational numbers, the decimal expansions are of two types: terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion 3.1428678, 0.875, these are terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating repeating, and non-terminating repeating is also called non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Here 0.3 bar, that is 0.333 3 is repeated after decimal. 1.27 bar, 1.27272727 that means after decimal 27, that is 27 is repeated. Now we convert the decimals to rational number. Just now we have seen the conversion of rational numbers into decimal expansion. Now we see what will happen if we how to convert the decimal expansions to rational number in the form p by q. You will be getting questions that convert the decimal numbers in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. 3.142678, it can be written as 3.142678 by 1 for this decimal, and after this for all the 6 digits we are 0.00000. It is a rational number. Now 0.875, it can be written as 875 by 1 for decimal and for 3 digit 30. That is, after solving it you will get 7 by 8. It is also a rational number. Now if these are the conversion of decimals to rational when they are in the form of terminating decimal expansion. Now in case of non-terminating decimal expansion, if it is non-terminating decimal expansion, how should we convert? Let's see. For this, consider a question. Convert 0.333 or 0.3 bar in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. For this, first of all, we consider let x equal to 0.333 and mark it as first expression. Now the next line comes multiplying both side by 10. This step is very important. This is very important since after decimal a number with one digit is repeated, so it is multiplied by 10 on both sides. Now consider if we have taken 1.27 bar, then after decimal 2 digit is repeated. In this case, if we have question 1.27 bar, in that case we will be multiplying both sides with 100. But here 0.3333, one digit 3 is repeated after decimal, so we will multiply both sides of this equation 1 by 10. On multiplying we will get 10x equal to 3.333 dot dot dot. Now subtracting 1 from 2. On subtracting 1 from 2, let's see the subtraction here. 10x equal to 3.333, x equal to 0.333. On subtracting we get 9x equal to 3.00, or 9x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 9, x equal to 1 by 3, and it is a rational number which is in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Now I am giving you 2-3 questions which you will solve by yourself. Try yourself. 0.6 bar, 0.12 bar, 0.13 bar. Now in first case you will multiply both side by 10, and in second case you will multiply both side by 100 and solve these questions, real numbers in decimal expansion. Very soon I will be coming with next video of this topic only, real numbers and decimal expansion. We will consider the decimal expansion of different cases, and we will proceed further in this topic only. We will bring real numbers and the decimal expansion part 2 video very soon. So till then, study this topic. Thank you.